Hello friends, hello students, welcome to our classes GLP. Today in this class, we are going to start Maths 7th Standard, chapter number 1, chapter name is Integers. So in this class, we are going to discuss basic concepts on integers. So for that, first of all, we have to know natural numbers. What is natural numbers, students? Here I have given the definition of natural number. What is the definition? The definition is the numbers used for counting things are called natural numbers. That means all numbers we have used for counting in our daily life, these all are natural numbers. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... up to infinity, these are used in counting for our daily life. So these numbers are all natural numbers. Next, our number is whole number. What is whole number? Here the definition is given. The number 0 together with the natural numbers are called whole number. That is combination of 0 and natural numbers is called whole number. So the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... up to infinity. These are all whole numbers. Our next number is integers. What is integers? Look here, the whole numbers and negative of natural numbers together called integers. That means we have whole numbers and natural number. We have already given the definition. So if we take the whole numbers, that means 0 to positive infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, and a negative of natural numbers, then we get the set of integers. Thus, the integers will be ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... Since left side this one is ... that means left side it will be minus infinity, -3, -4, -5, -6 up to it will be minus infinity, and the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ... up to positive infinity. Our next topic is types of integers. So here first, positive integer. What is positive integers? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ... up to positive infinity. These are all positive integers. Next, negative integers, the numbers -1, -2, -3 ... up to negative infinity. These are all negative integers. That means if there is negative sign, that means minus sign, so numbers will be negative integers, and if there is no negative sign, then number will be positive integers. Next, 0. 0, it is also an integer, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Our next topic is absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of a positive integer a is equal to absolute value of a. It will be denoted by modulus symbol. That means modulus of a, it is absolute values of a. It will be a. Then absolute value of, say, another integer we have taken minus b. Minus b is negative integer. So absolute value of a negative integer is equal to minus modulus of minus b. Modulus of minus b equal to b. That means If there is no minus sign in modulus, result will be positive. And if there is negative sign in the modulus, inside of the modulus, then result will also be positive. Now, absolute value of 0, they are equal, modulus of 0 equal to 0. Our next topic is properties of addition of integers. Here first property is that closure property of addition. Suppose we have two integers a and b. If we add these two integers, then we will get another integer c. Suppose, for example, say 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 5 is an integer, 4 is also an integer. Result 9 is also an integer. Say 18 plus minus 22. So it will be 18 plus minus will be minus 22. So before 18 we have plus sign, and before 22 we have minus sign. So plus and minus will be minus. So therefore we have to subtract 18 from 22. So it will be 4. And since here before larger number we have negative sign, so therefore resulting number will be negative. So minus 4 is also an integer. That means if we add two positive integers, resulting integer will be an integer. If we add one positive and another negative integer, then resulting number will be an integer. If we add two negative numbers, say minus 3 plus minus 4, then it will be minus 3 and plus minus and minus 4. So minus 3 and minus 4 will be negative, minus minus plus. So if we take minus is common, then we have 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is also an integer. That means if we add two negative numbers, resulting number will also be an integer. Next property is commutative property. Commutative property means suppose we add two numbers, say a and b, both are positive. A plus b will be equal to b plus a. That means we can write b first and a second. The result will be same. Suppose next, say a is positive and b is negative. If we write a plus minus b, then we can also write equal to minus b plus a. That means we can write minus b in first and a in second. Next, suppose a is negative, b is positive, then we can also write like b first minus a second. If we add two negative integers, so minus a plus minus b, then we can also write in the first place minus b and then plus, and then in the second place minus a.